How to filter hotel results by price on Agoda. First of all, open the app on your device and perform a hotel search by entering your destination, check-in and check-out dates and the number of guests and rooms. Once the list of available hotels appears, look for the filter option, usually located at the top of the results page. Tap on it to open the filtering menu. In the filter menu, scroll to the price section. Here you can either select a predefined price range or use the slider to set your minimum and maximum budget for the hotel stay. After selecting your preferred price range, tap Filter. Agoda will now display only hotels that fit within your budget, making it easier to compare options without browsing through unrelated listings. You can combine the price filter with other options such as star rating, guest reviews, facilities, and location to narrow down your choices further and find the perfect hotel for your trip. Once you find a hotel that fits your budget and preferences, you can view details, save it to favorites, or proceed to book directly. Filtering by price ensures you get the best value for your stay without compromising on quality. Now you know how to filter hotel results by price on Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.